Hey traders, let's have a quick new analysis about GBPCAD from a monthly perspective. So from a monthly perspective, what can we see just by looking at price action from a monthly perspective? We can see a nice head and shoulders formation forming on the monthly time frame. So what we need to wait for, we need to be more reactive. We need to wait for a bit more development in this pair before we can actually enter. So on the monthly time frame, we are looking for a push to the upside. Now, if the market will break this area on the monthly, then you have a very good chance to take a very nice opportunity to the upside for this trade. But of course, if the market does not break here, then we will not trade this. But if let's go down on the 1 week time frame and have a look on the 1 week time frame. Now let's look at it from a price action point of view. Let's look at it from a support and resistance point of view as well. So if you can have a look at the line I just drew over here, many times before it was previous resistance, now previous resistance again, previous resistance, resistance again, many times resistance. Now that we have actually broken to the upside of this, we expect the market now to make a shift to the upside. Okay, plus what we have on the weekly time frame. If you have a look on the weekly time frame, we have this nice impulse to the upside, then a nice correction back down, nice impulse again, correction, and now we can expect the next impulse to the upside. Okay, so on the weekly time frame, we're still looking for a buying opportunity with a good risk to reward. Why? Because we have this trend line that the market had retested before and is possibly pushing through the roof. Now, if you have a look at it from here, like I said to you on the monthly time frame, we need to see a nice break and retest of this area before we can actually take this trade to the upside. Okay, so let's go down on the 1 day time frame and have a look on the 1 day time frame. Now if you have a look on the 1 day time frame, it's quite clear that the market has made this W formation. Okay, if the market creates a W formation, normally you want to see the market come back down and retest the neckline of the W formation to grab some more liquidity before we have the next push to the upside. Okay, so what we can expect is the market now to make a small retracement. Plus, what I would like to see as well, if you can notice this area over here, you can see that on the daily time frame we have a nice double bottom confluence here. Okay, so what we want to see is, I would really like to see this pair develop more into a push to the upside. Now if you go looking on the daily time frame, you can also see that the market could create a head and shoulders pattern here as well for the next push to the upside. What we need to be waiting for is, of course, break of structure. Now, if the market will come and retest this area over here, why do I choose this area? It was previous support here, previous resistance here, previous resistance here, and now we can expect when the market reaches into this area for the more support and liquidity to push to the upside. Okay, so on the daily time frame, if the market will now come into this area on the 4 hour time frame, me, my students, and of course VIP members will be looking for a good trade to the upside with a very good risk to reward. Just one more thing, if you have a look and take your Fibonacci from this low over here to this high, you can see that the market had respected quite a lot of the Fibonacci taken on the daily leg. Okay, you can see that the market has now come down to retest. Let me just get rid of this quick. The market came down to retest the 50% and the 382 at the moment. So if you have a look at this, the market came and retested the 60.61.8 Fibonacci. It then retested the 50% Fibonacci, and now we can expect the market to test the 382 and make the further push to the upside. But like I said, guys, we need to be reactive, so always wait for confirmation. If the market will come into this area on the 4 hour time frame, I will be looking for a buying opportunity with a good risk to reward. But of course, if the market come down and break this area and start moving to the downside, then of course I will change my analysis and change and be reactive, and I will look for a selling opportunity on the 4-hour time frame. I hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. Please don't forget to hit the like button, leave me a comment below, and let me know what you guys think. It's very important that you guys comment in my videos so that the algorithm in YouTube can actually show this to more people and many more people in order for them to learn and earn at the same time. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you guys in the next video.